Okay. Well, oh, which mon? Well, oh, which mon? As, earth, which mon? Earth, which mon? Soil, moon, soil, moon. Waiter, pew, waiter, pew. Population, pregnant, population, pregnant. Grows, piet, rape, ngwani, karo, rape, ngwani, karo, rape, ngwani, karo. Language, talk, language, talk. Origin, tukdwara, origin, tukdwara. Human, ran, human, ran. Man, ran, or you can say wood, man, ran, or wood. Power, luang, or bomb. Power, bomb, or luang. Power, luang, or bomb. Map, ture weshmon, map, ture weshmon, the meaning of world in Nuer is or you can say it wishmon. Lord world kaman Lord ne ki wishmon. Earth maloda, Lord ne wishmon. Earth, wishmon ke pinya tanatana, shale earth. Soil, a moon. Moon, shale soil. The meaning of soil in Nuer, it is moon, soil, moon. Water mean pew. The meaning of water in Thok Nath, it is pew. Population, the meaning of population in Thok Nath or Nuer language, it is Peknath. The meaning of population, Peknath. The meaning of grows, Piet, Lord and Piet. The meaning of grows in Nuer, it means Piet, or you can say Rep ngwani karo. Grows mean Rep ngwani karo. Language, the meaning of language in Thok Nath is Thok. Language mean Thok. Language mean Thok in Nuer language, Thok. Origin, the meaning of origin is Tuk Dwara. Guat and Tuk Dwara. Origin mean Tuk Dwara. Human, the meaning of human, ran. Meaning of human is ran. It is ran in Thok Nath. Human, ran. Man, the meaning of man, it has two meanings, ran or wood in Thok Nath. Ran, or you can use it with wood. Man mean wood, man mean ran. Power mean luang or bomb and tekaran, bomb. The meaning of power, luang or bomb. Map, the meaning of map is ture weshmon in Thok Nath. Ture weshmon. Please subscribe for more, and also do not forget to follow our TikTok YouTube. Thank you.